I know how hard it can be to find the right laptop for accounting without wasting money on something that just doesn't cut it. I bought and tested these laptops so you don't have to. Let's dive into the top 5 laptops that are perfect for all your accounting needs. Product number 1, HP 14 laptop. When I first unpacked the HP 14 laptop, I was impressed by its sleek design. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for working on the go. The Intel Celeron N4020 processor paired with 4GB RAM handles essential accounting software like Excel and QuickBooks surprisingly well. The 14-inch Micro Edge HD display is bright and clear, which is great for those long hours of number crunching. The addition of 64GB storage means you have enough space for essential files, and the 1 year of Microsoft 365 included is a significant bonus. This laptop is ideal for students or entry-level accountants who require basic functionalities without the hefty price tag. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the price point is fantastic at just $172.72, making it incredibly affordable. The lightweight build means you can easily carry it between classes or to client meetings without feeling weighed down. However, the 4GB RAM might be a limiting factor for more complex tasks or multitasking. If you plan on running multiple applications simultaneously, you might find this a bit sluggish. So why should you buy the HP 14 laptop? If you're looking for an economical solution that gets the job done for basic accounting tasks, this laptop is a solid choice. It's user-friendly, comes with essential software pre-installed, and won't break the bank. Product number 2, Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. Unboxing the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook was a delightful experience. It's incredibly lightweight and has this modern aesthetic that I found appealing. The 14-inch HD display is sharp enough for spreadsheets and presentations, and the Waves Max audio speakers add a nice touch for those moments when I want to watch a tutorial or listen to some music while working on my accounting tasks. Powered by the MediaTek Compagno 520 processor with 4GB of RAM, this Chromebook handles web-based applications smoothly, which is perfect for cloud-based accounting software. A major advantage of this laptop is its battery life. It lasts for hours, allowing me to work remotely without worrying about finding an outlet. However, it does have its downsides. The storage is limited to 64GB, which can fill up quickly if you save a lot of files locally. Also, the performance may lag with heavier applications, so keep that in mind if you use resource-intensive software. In conclusion, if you're a student or a professional who primarily uses web-based applications, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 is an excellent choice. It offers great portability, solid audio quality, and long battery life, making it a reliable partner for your accounting studies or work. Product number 3, Acer Aspire 3 A315-24P-R7VH. The Acer Aspire 3 A315-24P-R7VH was a game changer for me. Right out of the box, the 15.6-inch Full HD display caught my attention with its vibrant colors and clarity. The AMD Ryzen 3 7320U quad-core processor combined with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM makes multitasking a breeze. Switching between Excel sheets and online resources felt seamless. With 128GB NVMe SSD storage, I found that I had plenty of space for both applications and files, which is a significant plus for an accountant who deals with large datasets. In terms of performance, the laptop truly excels. The AMD Radeon graphics enhances the visual experience, which is a nice touch if you're also into gaming or multimedia. On the flip side, the weight of the laptop is a bit on the heavier side, which might not be ideal for those needing extreme portability. Additionally, the battery life, while decent, may not last a full day under heavy use. Why should you consider the Acer Aspire 3? If you're looking for a robust machine that can handle complex accounting software without breaking the bank, this is it. The performance to price ratio is excellent, and the added features make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about their accounting career.
Product number 4, HP 14-inch ultralight laptop. Diving into the HP 14-inch ultralight laptop, I was struck by how lightweight yet sturdy it felt. The Intel quad-core processor and 8GB RAM support smooth operation, making it easy to run multiple applications simultaneously, essential for any accountant juggling various tasks. The storage setup is clever, combining 64GB eMMC with a 128GB Ghost Manta SD card, giving you a generous 192GB to work with. The 14-inch display is bright and clear, perfect for those long hours of working on financial reports. One of the standout features is the 1-year subscription to Office 365, which is a tremendous value for anyone in accounting. I also appreciated the USB-C connectivity, which makes transferring files quick and easy. However, the battery life could be better. Under heavy use, I found myself reaching for the charger more often than I'd like. Why should you buy the HP 14-inch ultralight laptop? If you need a machine that balances portability with performance, this laptop is an excellent choice. It's well suited for students and professionals alike, and the built-in software makes it a hassle-free option for anyone looking to excel in their accounting tasks.
Product number 5, Acer Aspire Go 15 AI-Ready Laptop. The Acer Aspire Go 15 AI-Ready laptop was a pleasant surprise for me. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display is stunning with vivid colors and sharp details that make looking at spreadsheets or documents a joy. Powered by an Intel Core 3 processor N355 and 8GB DDR5 RAM, it handles multitasking with ease. The 128GB UFS storage provides ample space for all your accounting files, and with Windows 11 Home in S mode, it's optimized for security and performance. One feature that sets this laptop apart is the integration of AI through Copilot in Windows, making it easy to manage tasks and applications efficiently. I found the connectivity options, including dual USB Type-C ports, to be a significant advantage for connecting various devices. However, while the battery life is commendable, heavy users might find the need to charge more frequently due to its performance capabilities. In short, the Acer Aspire Go 15 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a laptop that offers powerful performance and innovative features. If you want a machine that can keep up with your accounting workload while providing an exceptional user experience, this laptop is definitely worth considering. After diving deep into these 5 laptops, it's clear that each one has unique offerings tailored for different accounting needs. Whether you're a student or a seasoned professional, there's a perfect match here for you. Choose wisely and you won't regret your investment.